Nifemi Oladipupo from Nifemi, and I'll be calling Tommy Foduka out of Sugar Cane.
Oh, good job. Good job. I always see you. I always see you. Good job. Come on, come on.
On behalf of all Yoruba fighting for Yoruba Nation. It is imperative that you are formally informed of the governmental infractions that have fully flagged out of control in Nigeria. As you may be aware, there have been a pronounced activity of great magnitude of wanton and senseless killing
Come
of
behind her
citizens in
now. Come behind her
Nigeria.
to show people.
The lack of
Let's
safety
go.
and
Let her turn
security
this way.
not only to the
Let
innocents of
her
South
back the people
Nigeria,
here so
who
we
are
can have.
predominantly the Yoruba tribe.
Hey, move by. Go back away. So that
In the
we
country.
can get a view.
Nothing has been done on the part of the Nigerian government to stop this evil act of genocide. The United States Security Agency recently informed the Nigerian government that the dastard and the cruel ISIS are now in the southern part of the country, the premier homeland of the Yoruba people. The Fulani Miyetti incursion into the southern part in the large numbers is accountable for the numerous killings of Yoruba local farmers, kidnapping of local authority personnel, raping and abducting innocent lives in the south. Over 45% of the Fulani will be found in Yoruba land, moving there under the guise of freedom of movement. In the last few years, a Fulani group identified as Miyetti has been deployed armed personnel and militants from the other parts of West Africa into southern part of the country and claims that this is in preparation for a total takeover of the Yoruba land and its resources. Their increased massive incursion into Yoruba land this year alone has raised heavy suspicion that they are about to actualize their takeover of the whole Yoruba land. These repressive actions, killing and forceful grabbing, are not only a violation of fundamental human rights, but is quickly approaching a genocidal proportion. However, the ruling leadership of the federal government in Abuja comprises almost people from the Fulani tribe of the north, and the president himself, General Muhammadu Buhari, is of this clan. They have arrogated to themselves the majority of power in the federal executive, the judiciary, and the legislative arm of government. By the tradition, the Fulani are warlords and totalitarian groups. We do not speak the same language. We do not have the same philosophy towards life. The Yoruba people are peace-loving, courteous, civilized, cultured, and non-violent. We are progressive, modern, law-abiding, and friendly people. The same courtesy the Fulani receive in the South is generally not extended or reciprocated by the Fulani people to the few Yoruba people. No respect for the same rule of law operated in the South as the use of different foreign law system in the whole of the northern states to adjudicate secular legal issues. The Yoruba are demanding an exit from the British foreign contraption called Nigeria. The Yoruba are seeking the intervention of the United States government and the Canadian government to mediate urgently in the peaceful dissolution of the expired amalgamation of Nigeria. This would allow the Yoruba people of the southwestern part of Nigeria to chart their own course and form a self-determined government of their own. We seek the support and intervention of the American government and the Canadian government in the interest of peace and stability in the region. Thank you.
Let's give a round of applause. So I'm going to...
On